What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Coming back to you with another video from the Connecticut Thrifting Meetup, and I am here with Martin with Thrift Store Gold.
Yeah, what's up, guys? It's Martin from Thrift Store Gold. Just started doing the reselling and eBay and
yeah, you're
YouTube.
What, 19 years old or?
Yeah, I just turned 21 actually.
Oh, okay. Your buddy.
Yeah, my buddy's 19.
Yeah, he came with his friend Zach, who's 19, and it's crazy because he's 21, his friend is 19,
yeah.
And you know, most guys who are like 18, 19, 20, 21, they're working traditional jobs or going to college,
yeah.
And you've actually been selling what, on eBay now?
Yeah, I actually quit my job about 2 months ago and started doing eBay and YouTube full time.
Wow.
And it's been pretty rough in the beginning because I jumped in without doing any research. I just saw, wow, reselling, you can make money and be happy, so let me try that.
But that's a big thing. Like, a lot of people look at that as a mistake, like, oh, I just jumped in. But I feel like most people on the other side of the spectrum, whereas like they're over preparing, they're watching videos, like, oh, the stars have to align, everything has to be perfect, I need my printer, I need this, and you kind of did the opposite. It was just like, I see other people doing it, if they're doing it, why can't I do it? And you just jumped right into it?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't have any packaging, no bubble wrap, no printer, no nothing, and I just started listing on eBay, and I mean, I wasn't making any sales. I was at like 30 listings, and I sold my first thing, and I got super excited, and then after that, I wasn't selling anything for weeks, and then I actually got a tip from someone in your comments saying, get to 100 listings, then you'll get consistent sales. So since then, I grinded the next like 3 days and got to 100 listings, and actually since then, I've been making consistent sales. And
I bet you now that you're getting your listings up, now you're probably focusing on finding higher quality items, because you probably learned that, okay, now my listings are up, my sales are up, but now sales will probably start dipping because your hot stuff sells and then the cold stuff doesn't move, right?
Yeah, my first time thrifting, actually, I went out and bought about 30 mugs for 25 cents each because of Gary V mug life, thinking they were all gonna sell, and I still got them all. Yeah. But I got some great tips from people actually with bundling or auctions and stuff, so been taking notes this whole time and super excited to get home and kind of just re-edit my store kind of with all the information I've got. So what advice would you give to the people who are watching right now and maybe they're just getting started, because you're only 2 months in right now? What advice would you give to the people who are having a hard time getting started, they're struggling, they don't know if it's for them? Watch his videos and watch my videos. No, I'm just kidding. Get your foot in the door and don't buy everything, but buy what you think will sell, because I mean, realistically, at the end of the day, you kind of want to sell what you want to sell. So I don't want to go out and buy a bunch of, we'll say like rollerblades, because I don't. Barbie dolls? Yeah, Barbie dolls. I don't sell Barbie dolls.
But you're still checking the sold listings,
right?
Still checking
those out,
So you're not saying buy what you're passionate about, buy what you're passionate about, but also check the sold listings. Yeah. Buy what you're passionate about, that sells. So for me, like like I said, I was really into Marvel. So some collectible Marvel stuff will sell, but not everything Marvel sells. That's cool. That's cool. So what are your goals kind of moving forward? What are you doing in sales right now after 2 months? Actually, we just hit 600 on our eBay store. So I mean, with fees and all that, it's a lot less than that. But I mean, so is that the last 30 days or over 2 months so far? Last 90 days was we got to 600. Okay. And then I say we as because it's me and my girlfriend doing it. Yeah, you guys are hustling hard. I love it. Yeah. So, but my main goal is to just kind of get big on YouTube and show people that like reselling thrift store is very easy, and like I mean, I started with no money really. So you went from no money up to 600. I went from in debt. I'm still a little in debt actually. Okay. But I'm working to get out of debt through this and just be happy. Okay, so you want to have your freedom. You want to be happy. You kind of want to call your own shots instead of clocking in, clocking out. Be my own boss. How much money do you think you need to make like over a 30-day period? Like, what would your goal be in 30 days to get to maybe? Let's just say we're having another conversation in January of 2020, a year from now. What do you realistically think you get your sales to? I mean, I'd like to be 10,000 a month. Ooh, that's a big goal. That's a big goal. But I plan on just doing everything I can, and even starting Amazon. I do have my listing, my free seller account, and then making money off YouTube as well. The key is stay focused though, like, because I see, you know, this is Martin right here from Thrift Store Gold, and I see the same drive that I had when I first got started. And one of the biggest mistakes that I made is I fell victim to the shiny object syndrome. So before I ever like got good at something, I would jump to the next thing and then the next thing and then the next thing. What I could say to you, like as someone who's 21, you're younger, you're coming up,
focus on one or two things and really put your all into it, because eBay works, Amazon works. Like, you can even dive into eBay, like toys works, clothing works, shoes works. It's just a matter of, are you gonna work it or not? Are you gonna give up too soon? So like, I would document your whole journey on YouTube, but I would get good at eBay before even jumping to Amazon, or I would just make a decision. You're gonna go with Amazon or eBay, because it just takes focus. Like, all the people you see on YouTube, from Rockstar Flipper to Bonafide Hustler to Rally Roots, like, the only reason they're having success is because they took the time and they focused and they learned and they never gave up on it. They didn't jump from thing to thing. Like, a lot of people have multiple income streams because, like, they've been doing it. Like, I've been doing this for 6 years now. Like, Rally Roots probably longer. Bonafide Hustler, like 20 years now. So it's crazy though, man. Like, you've got the awareness. Now you just gotta focus,
I got the
man.
age and the experience ahead of me.
He's got the youth.
Yeah, the youth.
Cool. So any final words for the people? Any last bits of advice or tip for the people watching, excited?
Big tip, just do what makes you happy. I thought for a while that I needed to make money and just work the consistent job just to make money, and I wasn't able to really even pay my bills then, and it was just frustrating. So now I'm just doing what I love, and I'm slowly making money, and I just see it. I see higher in the future than right now. And another big thing is it's a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on that. It takes time. It's not gonna be quick.
Awesome. Love it, brother.
Yep.
Tell the people where they can follow you and subscribe to your channel, because he's been crushing it. Like, not only in the YouTube comments, but also in the videos.
Yeah. So it's Martin Thrift Store. It's Martin from Thrift Store Gold. And yeah, I've been
I'll link it up
Instagram,
in the description.
Instagram Martin Thrift Store Gold, and Facebook just Martin Tiedemann.
Cool. Well, awesome. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Smash that like button, guys.
All right. Peace.